already hit it with the alcohol on the east side. Everything dried off. So I'm gonna do the first coat right here. So the first coat, I'm gonna do everything real light, enough that it's not gonna fully cover the full chrome, but enough that to kind of hit a little bit of it. Then we're gonna let it dry for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go to the next one. So. Alright, so now I'm on the second coat, everything dried out. So this one, I'm gonna go full black on this. So we're gonna go super heavy on this one. And then each coat, I'm gonna do 15 minutes off and on, but I'm gonna hit it with different angles. You're gonna see when I do this quick little fast montage. So this is the completed of this side. So I hit the top part, is good, no issues. Only thing I messed up, I got to hit another coat right here, and then also a little fading right here. So I have to do one more coat on this one. Some of that chrome that chrome trim is still showing, easy to peel out. So I'm gonna hit this bottom one more time, and then I'm gonna hit this bottom one more time as well too. I think what I'm gonna do for the next side, I'm gonna hit 6 coats instead of 4. So yeah, I'm gonna do 6 coats instead of 4. Got some of the bottom, don't mind some of that black stuff on there. I'm gonna wash it off when I'm done with everything. So yeah, I still got a little chrome piece right here, but not too crazy. But other than this part, this is perfect right here. Got the line good. This had a whole bunch of chrome missing pieces, so that got that pretty decent. I kind of oversprayed on this one, but I'm about to hit some glosser on there, so it shouldn't be as bad once I hit the glosser on there. And like I said, I'm gonna wash some of this stuff off, so this is some residue. So I'm about to do my first coat. Like I said, I'm gonna hit the side light to go over the chrome, nothing too heavy. So wait 15 minutes. Yeah, so when y'all do this, what I do is I did 2 paint cans on this one each side. So I did a total of 4. Actually, no, I did like 4.5. So and I'm also doing the bottom too though. So if y'all not hitting the bottoms, I say if y'all want a solid coating, 2 cans will get the job done as far as over here. I definitely did a way better job. This, but yeah, you gotta hit the coats heavy. That's how you get make this work. You gotta hit it heavy. So it seems like 6 coats or 5 to 6 coats is the sweet spot. But this was good. This looks real good. This looks much better. I damn near might want to hit the other side again. Redo it. But yeah, this definitely look better than on my other side. So yeah, real smooth, real nice. I see minimum chrome left, like I see a little baby flakes on here, but not enough that is noticeable. So I think I did a pretty good job. I probably could have did one more coat on here, but I think this gonna be good enough. If not, like I said, the good thing about Plasti Dip, if you mess up, it's very forgiving. So you can redo another coat on there if you need to, or you can just take it off completely and redo it. A mess up, that's no big deal. You can just take literally a microfiber towel and just put some water, or you can just rinse and wipe it off by hand. So I'm gonna lightly do this, and then when I'm done with everything, then I'm gonna do a full like soap and water on it. So. So, just day one after my install of the Plasti Dip, I'm gonna give y'all my feedback on this. Overall, it's a great tool to use if you want to do a simple, quick upgrade, budget friendly. That if you want to save some, and also too, if you got an older vehicle, or even if you got like faded paint or little small spots, Plasti Dip is a great recommended option to use instead of like going to go to a shop and use vinyl or whatever like that. It's a good option. At least if you mess up on this, I can just repeel it, take that off, and then respray it again. That's not a big deal. Far as like total amount of paint I use, I think I used a total of 6 paint cans. I think it was 6, and that covered. I got the grill, that got the side, the back emblem, and the bottom trim. So 6 cans will get that all squared away. Also too, don't be afraid to hit the coat heavy, because I thought I was overspraying, but most of the time I wasn't. I actually was underspraying. So on this right side over here, when I first was doing it, you can see in the video, when I touched it, when I was trying to peel it off, it was hard to peel off in general. So I was already undercoating it anyway. But when I started touching it and getting certain areas, some of that chrome, if I just like touch my hand on it, all the chrome would start showing. So I had to respray certain spots. On this side, I did 7 coats. I didn't really have that issue as much over there. In total, to peel all this off, like without even I said forget it. I saw even masking the front. It took me probably a total of like 3 hours to kind of peel everything off extra. Like just make sure all the bottom was cleaned off, make sure the top, everything, all the excess was gone, and everything. Took probably like 2-3 hours to do that. And that's in between me doing like waiting the paint dry. So like 15 minutes, clean one spot, spray it, coat again, clean another spot, spray another spot, clean another spot, so forth. So avoid doing that. But I say when in doubt, 7 coats, because a lot of people in the videos be saying 4 coats, but it also depends on on how you spray it. And I was spraying, I thought it was like straight, but it really wasn't. So when in doubt, hit like 6 coats. It'll take you like, if you do the sides trim, man, you get a whole paint can take care, a whole can of paint can take care of that, and you can do half of that. So get 2 cans and you should be good. You can go to either Amazon, get your 4-pack for $60, this to be straight, or you can go on AutoZone and get 2 for like $7, like $14. So whatever work for you, it don't even matter. Let me know your thoughts, dude. If you got any questions, put in the comments, man. I'm out. Gone.